up on this. This step makes me stretch. I don't like that. Here's what I got. It's the Wolfbox retractable bed step. This is for 20 plus Silverados and 20 plus Sierras, both 2500s or 3500s. I'm gonna get this open up. Should be a fairly easy install. Let's get it done. All right, let's go through our parts. This is a linkage arm assembly. This is the main bracket. This is the support bracket, and this is the bumper bracket. Of course, that's the bed step itself. Here's the bolts provided. This is a fairly easy install. Let's go ahead and get started now. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this. If you see the 3 holes, it lines up right here. And we're gonna take the provided bolts they provided and marry these together. All right, so you got those 2 in. You still got to fasten it here. So you're going to notice there is one bolt that doesn't have a washer already attached to it. We're going to take that. We're going to take the lock washer. They'll only sit one lock washer and a regular bolt. Okay, and we're going to take that, and that's what's going in the bottom one. All right, now once you have that, I'm going to take my lazy man ratchet and I'm going to tighten them all up. It's a 13 millimeter. Uh-oh. Get it nice and lined up. All right, now turn it upside down, and this is where the support bracket's going to go. Right, just like that. And we're going to use the 13 millimeter bolts they supplied. All right, we just really want to hand tighten these right now. I don't want to crank them down because once we're underneath the truck, we may have to just adjust a little bit. And don't want it to be too hard to move around. And once we got that, let's turn it upside down. Right here is where the bumper support bracket goes. Again, we're just going to hand tighten these down. All right, then let's turn this around this direction and let's focus on the bed step. Okay, so you got these slotted. You basically just want to slot these in here. Just like so, okay, and then let me turn this bad boy upside down, maybe that'll help. Alright, so we're going to do that. And then we want to go ahead and put the washer on there, each one. I'm not going to tighten it down, just get it hand tighted. Keeps it together. All right, with this one piece, now we're going to get underneath the truck, get you a creeper if you got one, 13, an 18, and a 21. All right, mission number one is to get rid of this the bumper support. So this is, I believe, an 18, and that's a 21. So I want to go ahead and take this one off first. Now that's a 21 up there. Anyway, now I told you you need 18s. Here's the 18s we're going to remove. Set those aside. Up pretty much. Alright, just like that, and now we're going to tighten everything down. 18's back on we just took off. 21 goes up around the corner there, and then that's our 13. Everything's in place. It's just a matter of tightening everything down.
Overthinking, I don't mean to let the pain and hurting. I was main stage with tiny at a festival. Realities of practice, less than 24 hours pass and I'm back to working. The wage isn't minimum, but when you know your worth in this street, I know you see me killing them. That's the moments I was living them. Celebrity, civilian. Walk amongst the greats that you ignore, the ones relentlessly pursuing every key to every door. It's evergreen and evermore. Feel content with living normally. I'm handing in my notice to the world on record formally.
This has been the process the whole time getting that screw down. Get yourself a 21 socket. Alright, now we're down to this thing. Gotta tighten this up. What I want you to do is actually get back underneath your truck and figure out how you want that positioned. Alright, so I'm back up on my truck now, and I don't want this stick out too far either way. I think I kind of like where it's at right there. So all I'm going to do is go down there with my 13 millimeter and tighten those bolts up. I decided to go back down, and I tweaked it just a little bit, just to center it up some. That is it. Down here tightening these up. Don't forget these, and I've already gotten those. Also wipes off super easy, by the way. All right, gang, let's wrap this up. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. It's really a super easy install, and big thanks to Wolfbox. Every bolt they included was a 13 millimeter. Nothing drives me more crazy when a company sends like 5 different size bolts, and shout out to them. Super easy install, great quality product. Really happy with it. If this video is helpful to you, Please hit the like button. If you like this type of content, subscribe. And don't be afraid to hit me up on Instagram or TikTok at F150_boss. And I want to say thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.